Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new transfer to your Monefy account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this double arrows icon that you can find at the top of the screen next to the search icon. First of all, you should indicate the date on this calendar, then select or type in the amount of money. Add the note to it if you want to, and after adding all these details, click on the save button down below. So as you can see, the transfer has been added. So if you go back to the home screen, you are going to see it in the middle. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.